Hello, today we're gonna be playing Mobile Legends. Gusto ko gusto ko.
Isa size ni Papa?
Bungi.
44, 45. Wait, basta na to. Nang magulan, mabasa na mag-download niya ako. Diliti, oy.
Grabe man. Today we're gonna be playing Mobile Legends.
Nang tuwas, itong lagi ako. Magdili na.
And then this is part
Pila ni
10. This is part 10. So now we're ready, epic now.
165.
So we are ready, epic. So guys, we're actually in epic now. Look guys, look. Epic na tayo. So guys, mapunta tayo sa classic. So we're gonna be playing classic. Ayun. Hashtag Interpagad. Marami mga Philippines dito na laro. May use ako si Zilong.
The Dragonborn is back.
So I'm gonna use pro setup. And magamitin ako nito. Replace this one. Oh, si Papa look. Hey Papa. Hey Papa. Hey Papa. Dad, look. This is my pro setup. Look. 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 Oh? My pro setup. So I have to use pro setups. Oh, the roamer. Grabe man si Bagzanon na sumasagot. Badang, Leila, Bagzana, Johnson. Ayan! Uy, Papa, we already have a tank now. A car tank. Well, then now look kahapon in the last round. There's an enemy jeep. Well, they don't have a tank, so that's good for us. So we will panalo this in the power of youth. Pero minsan, meron yan. Siguro si Aldo, so isa lang siya matira. Yun ang bato niya. Yun ang malaki. Yun may spear. Okay, now, so me and Leila are there sa Oh, mabili ako nito. Oh, ayan. 500. Ang grabe, ang sobrang lagging. Huwag mo kayo mabindobi. Kayo pa baboy. So kami dalawa dito. Sakto. Uy! Tingnan mo, sino ba yan? Si 11. San 11. Ayan, nag-healing ako kasi. So guys, not
Nothing scares me, not even death.
Ano si Johnson? Balibahay.
It would take an army to stop me.
Ito kang XP sa akin, Gorgia. Ano ba yan?
Okay.
Tranquil as a poem,
Launch
but
attack.
raging with it.
Initiate retreat. Okay. Launch attack.
Your whole body is a weak
That was
spot.
amazing. That was amazing. Need it.
It would take an army to
Hala!
Launch attack. Enemy has been slain. Initiate retreat.
whole body is
Launch attack. Attack the middle. Understood. Launch attack. Initiate retreat.
tranquil as a poem, but raging
Her
within.
name is Wagwan.
Nothing scares me, not even
An
death.
ally has
Ayun, si
slain the
Johnson.
turtle. Launch attack.
Grabe man si Johnson.
Initiate retreat.
Junjun Siwa.
It would take an army to stop me.
Initiate
So, gusto ko
retreat.
ma-enter.
Launch attack.
Gusto ko musakay.
Poem, but
Johnson!
raging within.
Initiate retreat. Need assistance.
Nothing scares me, not even death.
Ma-farming na lang ako eh.
Launch attack. An enemy has been slain.
Your whole body is a weak spot.
Initiate retreat. Launch attack.
Tranquil as a poem, but raging
Initiate
within.
retreat. An enemy has been slain. Launch attack.
Never fade.
Initiate retreat. Okay.
We enter! Hala! Kung mag-enter ako, ano ba yan? Buang na yan.
Whole body is a weak spot.
Uy, sakto, uy, sakto, uy. Uy! Hala si Wang Wang.
Nothing scares me, not even death.
Initiate retreat.
It would take an
Launch
army to
attack.
stop me.
Push first. Okay. Launch attack.
Your whole body is a weak spot.
Step down. Push first. Launch attack.
Nothing scares me,
Wala man
not
ako.
even death.
Need assistance. Launch attack.
Faya! Subong giyang!
Enemy has been slain.
Hala! Manasis lang ako eh.
Raging within.
Ah!
Push first.
Okay.
Nothing scares me, not even death.
Launch attack. Killing spree.
But raging within.
Initiate retreat. Okay. Push first.
It would take an army to stop me. Ha!
The enemy has slain the turtle.
Ha!
Initiate retreat. Okay. Destroy the turret. Push first. Initiate retreat.
Ha!
Need assistance.
Your whole body is a weak spot.
Ally has been mega kill. Okay. Initiate retreat.
Ha!
Papa.
Initiate retreat.
Papa, what is this?
Diyan,
Shut down.
you
Your
can,
team
you
destroyed a turret.
block the hero. You will attack.
Launch attack.
Tranquil as a wolf,
Initiate
but
retreat.
raging within.
Understood.
Heroes never fade.
You have slain an enemy.
Ang lawang galing ko. Za, boing, boing, boing. Za, boing, boing, boing.
Your whole body is a weak
Ally has been slain.
Uy, sakto, uy, sakto. Grabe. Na. Patay na yan. So, pero syempre, yung... Allah! Hala! Ang target nila sa mga bullet. Ano ba yan? Loko mga
Tranquil
sila.
as a poem, but raging within.
Uy, si Yin! Ano, takbo!
Heroes never fade.
Yes! So guys, pero maminsan, ya to ano, gaya-gaya. Uy! Hala! Buti naman, nawala ako under again with ba yun? Kasi mamatay siya sa akin.
Initiate retreat.
So guys, wag mo gamitin kayin kasi isa lang Kodyo sa Genjutsu niya kasi gusto siya mapatay kita.
Heroes never fade.
Patay ka na, Junjun. I mean, 1-1.
You have slain an enemy.
Look, pahil pa baboy.
Tranquil as a poem,
Sus, di ka makayo maniging dugo, bait. Hala! Ano, sige.
Retreat.
Ano ba yan? Nag-genjutsu na naman ako eh.
I could have
I died by Yin.
done more.
Need assistance. Initiate retreat.
I need a wide. Gonna crash. Saan kayo mapupunta?
It would take an army to stop me.
Push first.
Si 1-1 ang weakling. Ala, si Aldos! Napatay na naman si
Double kill.
Johnson and si Vagzana. Grabe ang local nila.
Heroes never fade.
Sampa Tropico. Ay, sila. Okay. Nabunali. Napatay ako kay... Sino ba yan? Si Leon.
Launch attack.
Si Leon ba yan?
Need assistance.
Si
Understood.
Leon ba yan?
Our turret is
The
under
one
attack.
who can summon... yun ang pang red. Yun may black. Yun ang pandesal. Yun ang susunod T. Susunod A. Susunod N.
Our
Susunod
turret has
D.
been destroyed.
5 seconds, go. Pandesal. Yun ang pandesal. Ano parang pandesal sa English pang.
Tranquil as a poem, but raging
At
within.
napay pa lang sa Tagalog, sa Bisaya, ang pandesal. No? Masarap yun ang pansi. Masarap yun ang pansi pa
Not
birthday, no?
even death.
Need assistance.
Ano ko si Yena
Our
naman?
turret has been destroyed.
Ano sila ko si Aldous? Patay ka na, Aldous.
Initiate
Army
retreat.
to stop me.
Halang daya, sana napunta?
Push first.
Nandito na naman si Celsius.
Launch attack. Our turret is under attack.
Napano ba yan? Matalo na naman tayo nito eh.
Nothing
Our turret has
scares me.
been
Not
destroyed.
even death.
Don't give up. Initiate retreat. Understood.
So guys, we won't give up just like Naruto. Sabi daw siya, gusto siya become Hokage sa future niya. Yun na batang na agay. Ano, bungit.
Launch attack. Understood.
I died. No.
Push first. Understood.
push first, guys. Push first and tapos mag-retreat ka.
Legendary.
Pero minsan,
Initiate retreat. Understood.
Your whole body is a
Launch
weak spot.
attack. Understood.
ayun,
Need
dragon.
assistance.
Tapos ito. Susunod A. Susunod N. Susunod. Now the enemy has slain the Lord, guys. So guys, pero man minsan mag-kill tayo yun ng Lord first, pero ang kalaban natin
Nothing scares
napuni
me,
natin.
not even death.
Ano ba yan? Nandito na naman si Yin.
Our inhibitor turret is under attack.
Ano ba yan?
Legendary.
Kahit pa baboy.
Initiate retreat.
Hay naku si Yen, gama kayong loko-loko talaga. Grabe kayong gusto ako magpatay siya. Hay naku, grabe man ang sunod mga biit.
Legendary.
Ay, parang malaki palang minions. Look, when you kill the Lord, if you kill the Lord, malaki ang minions mo. Yun, ang giant size version. Tapos, if you kill the ala, takpa, mga multa, takpa, patay mo yan, patay.
Down.
Yes, hala, ako na yan, mamatay kay Yen.
Our turret has been
Ang
destroyed.
revenge ko na
Base is
tapos
under
na.
attack.
Hala!
Turret is under attack. Legendary. Initiate
Guys, mapatalo na tayo nito. Hala! Patay na naman!
Base is
Your
under
whole
attack.
body is a weak spot. Tranquil as a poem, but raging within.
Initiate retreat. Okay. Push first. Need assistance.
Your whole body is
Attack.
Yes, na-enter ako.
Initiate retreat. Launch attack.
Balik na naman!
Retreat.
Balik!
You have slain.
Hala, ako ba yun?
Double kill.
Hala! Galing ko!
Enemy double kill. An enemy has been slain.
Tapos next, Blade of Despair. Nana, run over na naman! Hala!
Our base is under attack.
Buti naman na naabot na ang kasama natin.
Push first.
Wala, mamatay na naman sila. Go, mga kasama.
An army to stop
Mabid natin yun ang
Attack the Lord.
espada kanturan. Uy guys, bantay. Wala, tulong.
but raging within.
Initiate retreat.
Tulong. Patayin mo. Huwag sino. Johnson, sino dito?
Ally has been shut down. Double kill.
Gaba kayo sa buka niya. Zira na ka.
Amazing. Attack the Lord.
Okay, sige. Okay,
It would take an
Initiate
army to
retreat.
stop me.
Ako pala. Hala, napatay na.
Initiate retreat. Shut down. Attack the Lord. An enemy has been slain. Okay. Attack the Lord.
Uy guys, bantay mo sa mga lanes.
Your whole body is a weak spot.
Initiate retreat.
Uy dem, grabe man. Ang marami man mga minions, man. Kamakayo sa mga...
Attack the Lord. Wait.
Hala, 3,000 pesos. Ano ba yan? Napatay na naman ako kay Yin. Ang grabe ang galing siya.
Need assistance.
Tulong! Sugod! Okay na guys. So, ang grabe man. Si Yin always na lang ang powerful. Kasi, grabe man siya. Ayan! Ang kasama ko mapatay mga minions. Ayos, sakto. Sana! Wala! Grabe man. Marami mga HP sa mga tank. Uy, mapatay ka na, Johnson. Almost na nakaman ng patay. Naalis ka na.
Enemy double kill. An ally has been slain.
Heroes never fade.
Our base is under
Nothing
attack.
scares me, not even death. Yeah!
Rampage.
Tingnan mo guys, natalo na naman tayo.
I could have done more.
Defeat.
Ano ba yan? Natalo na naman tayo. Silver pala ako eh. Ano ba yan? Si Johnson palang MVP kasi meron ako 6 and 2 assists. Wala, MVP pala man si Yin pala. So guys, natalo na tayo. Pero mag-check mo sa mga skins ko. So mag-end this na. So that means if you want to see my other videos, so ito ang skins ko. Wala pa yan kay Mia. Tapos wala ko nakuha kay Mia.
I am the moonlight that
Ito.
breaks through the darkness.
Yun ang normal skins kay Mia. So
My blood boils until
32% off. Wala ko mga diamonds.
die.
So guys, guys, okay lang. O ito pa ng history ko. Ito pala ang history ko na nagawa ako sa mga rounds. So ito pala ang defeating natin. Victory. Wow, grabe, so many victory and many defeated. So yun lang. So guys, yun ang yun ang history ko. Tapos ito pala ang edit ko sa mga, tingnan mo dito mga skins.
My blood.
Demons shall
yun
bathe
lang.
in their blood. The light belongs to the righteous.
So guys, if you want to see my next gameplay video, so guys, I hope you guys for watching and see you sa next video ko. So, bye-bye.